I really want to mod mobile games, but which is better, Android or iOS?
Well, there's a pretty simple answer to that.
You can cheat in both, as you can use microtransactions in both. Swipe, swipe. But if you want to use mods, specifically APK mods for Android and IPA mods for iOS, or tools and mod menus, while they absolutely exist for both platforms, and most of them are fake on both platforms, which is why you should use HackerBot to find legitimate providers for mods on both platforms as well.
Just Google HackerBot, go to hackerbot.net, enter the name of your game, start the tool. It will show you what mods are possible in your game.
And as you can see, 94 and 96% of all mods on both platforms are fake. For those who are serious about modding, Android is the clear winner. And there are several reasons for that. First reason, Android has emulators. These are virtual machines that allow you to test mods and tools before you actually install them on your device, making Android modding infinitely safer. You can install these emulators on macOS or Windows, simply boot up an Android system, test whatever you downloaded. If it works, great. If it's fake or infected, no harm done. Uninstall the emulator, reinstall it, clean system, no harm done. iOS currently doesn't have emulators, and there aren't any plans to do them either in the future, as the iOS operating system is simply not open source. So it's pretty much impossible to make an emulator. On top of that, the developer community for mods and tools is infinitely bigger on Android as well, because again, thanks to the open source nature of the operating system, it's just so much easier to develop stuff. Also, getting admin access to your device is easier on Android. In fact, many emulators just simply have a switch where you can gain administrator access to your device, which is not possible on iOS devices at all. On iOS, you pretty much have to take the risk of breaking your device in order to gain administrator access, which is absolutely needed to modify games. So while modding is possible on both systems, it is infinitely easier on Android. And you can find legitimate mod developers for both Android and iOS
On hackerbot.net.
if you're sick of downloading fakes from the internet. So while iOS is lovely, for modding, Android is just more practical. Like the video if you've learned something, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys soon with more knowledge.
Knowledge.
Knowledge.